Hi everyone, Dr. David Cullah here with Synergy Wellness. Many of you know me as the sort of hiatal hernia expert. I have a lot of insight on hiatal hernias that your gastroenterologist just isn't going to tell you, but I did a video earlier today and I'm going to do another one on this. I'm seeing so many comments about my video where I said best foods to eat with acid reflux, and all the naysayers on that video have no clue what causes acid reflux. Clearly, but they think they know. They have a YouTube doctorate. So for all of you YouTube doctors, internet doctors, Google doctors, whatever you want to call them, if you fix the underlying cause of a hiatal hernia, you can eat whatever the F you want. Yes, you really can. It's getting a little frustrating for me because these are people that just don't understand the condition. I'm gonna make it really simple. Your vagus nerve runs right alongside your esophagus. So when your stomach herniates, it puts pressure on that nerve. The vagus nerve controls acid production. Holy shit, no way. Could that be the problem? Heart palpitations, it also controls your heart rate variability, but it also not only controls heart rate variability and acid production, but it controls your diaphragm too. Whoa, novel concept there. Fix the underlying problem, the hiatal hernia, and you can eat whatever the hell you want. I will say it over and over and over again till I'm blue in the face. Please, if you don't know the condition, if you don't understand the anatomy, you can put all the comments you want in there. I'm fine with it, but school yourself before you fool yourself, okay? What I mean is school yourself on the condition before you go and write comments that don't make any sense. And then other people read those comments. Don't read those comments because those are lay people that don't know anything about the body, clearly. And just because your gastroenterologist says your heart palpitations aren't because of your hiatal hernia, it doesn't mean you have to believe them. And not every doctor is God, including me. I'm not God, but trust me, this is a condition I know inside and out to the T, okay? I will get on here with any gastroenterologist and discuss anything with hiatal hernia, and I will win in those arguments 99.9% of the time, okay? So if you guys have any questions, you can comment below and maybe I'll read them, and you can put some ignorant comments below and maybe I'll ignore them. Maybe I'll give you a thumbs up or a love, or maybe I'll give you a thumbs down, or maybe I'll just comment because it's just an ignorant comment. We're all ignorant. I'm ignorant. Everybody on this planet is ignorant. We don't know everything. We can't know everything. But hiatal hernias, I know. I'm sorry, I know it like the back of my hand. So, if you have any questions, go ahead and comment. But if you're going to tell everybody your theories on this treatment, you can do that. But you do risk getting deleted because those comments don't help people that are suffering. The ignorant comments that this is BS, you can't eat what you want with a hiatal hernia, and all these negative comments that are not true, they're based on ignorance or false information, they may get deleted because they're not helping our subscribers. This channel was made to help people. That's it. I hope you got some help from this video, and thanks for letting me rant and unload a little bit on the people that think they can't eat what they want with acid reflux. Fix the cause, eat what you want. And for those of you that have done that, have the reflux shield and have pulled the stomach down, or have had chiropractic or osteopathic treatment to pull the stomach down, and have had relief of acid reflux and can eat what they want, please comment below. Comment below. And let's get those naysayers out of there. Positiveness. All positive vibes here. You can fix your acid reflux and GERD. Fix the hernia and you fix the symptoms. Thanks for tuning in. Love you guys. Thanks for your support. See you soon. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.